Guess I should have considered that first, shouldn't I? Rather than just trying to go, ooh, nice neat square. Square doesn't fit there really nicely. So I guess I'll cut another piece. May as well try it out, eh? The idea of this was to try and have something that didn't have to hang on the bench and could get a variety of shots from around the workshop. Because obviously, hanging out there now, you can see the workbench and the tool wall that I'm working on. And if I do that, you can see the other side of the shed where stuff is getting stored. The fact that I still really don't have a really good layout. I could bring you over here as well. Gonna have to find another spot for these, they're gonna get in the way. But if they're out of the way, except for the fact that you're about to hit the weed whacker handle right next to you. It's kind of giving me a bit more scope for filming out here. And where you are now, the hope will be that eventually, got to move the weed whacker, but right now you're literally directly over the lathe, so to be able to have it shoot down, point down at the lathe. Might replace one of those. Now see, if I'd had you set up like that, when I was sharpening the drills before, I don't, you know, like it wouldn't have had the vibration of the table. That's the old spot for the clamps just hanging off the framing. Kind of like that. I'm definitely not going to trip over you. I might step into you, but so eventually there's a few more little things that I want to put on here, similar to what I put in the construction space and the workshops at school, where I can have little things that hang the tape measures that I use most often. Because at the moment, that's accessible. I guess my dream is to eventually, let me just tilt you down a bit more. Eventually be able to just work at this bench without having cracked line all over it. It's a bit hard. I mean, this back corner here, this stuff's just sitting here because I had two of these off the old metalwork bench, which is buried under everything on the other side. One got mounted to the trolley that's got the drill on it, so I can use that, and I have used that already, so that's good. This one, I'd like to be able to mount that onto something that I can take out there, like the fold up. I mean, I've got, you can just see, that's one of those old workmates. The tops are trashed on those, so that's going to be a project to replace the tops of those with some good hardwood, good plywood ones with the dog holes. And I'd like to be able to mount that to that and figure out some way of making the bottom of them a little bit sturdier. But over here I've got mallet, because I don't have a home for it. An axe that I need to make a new handle for, because I actually broke it using it. One of the tomahawks that actually needs to be sharpened up a bit. Another one that's, it's not too bad in terms of sharper. I'd be able to cut with it, it's just rusty. But I don't like the state of the handle. I've got to make a new handle for that. Anyway, they sit there to stay out of the way. This is a project that I will do a video, even if it's not going to be much of a video, I don't think, but that's going to be the first of several type of projects in this vein that I'm thinking. It's going well. I can kind of get my way around here. I do think that if the motorbike wasn't in here, that back corner would be far more accessible. There's the other vise, so that's mounted to a cabinet with all the drawers. Air compressors down here, stashed under the back, full bags on top of it, box of concreting and tiling tools, HDPE, and toast oven for melting it, although they, as the brothers make, use the sandwich press thing. I've got one with ridges which might work. But yeah, if the bike wasn't here, I think they would open this space up, because even the big table here that's got the saws on it, the drop saws, and it's got drawers with tools in it and a cabinet, I'd be able to have that sort of swung around and you could just walk in past that and I think almost access everything in here without having to move too much stuff around, apart from this thing here, the drill press stand, which has a lot of tools in the bottom cabinet. Time to go inside. It's school tomorrow. Do a tour. Door to door. Around here. Around here. Around here. Back to the door.